I'm Rob and welcome to another Beard Club Live. We're going to unbox our advanced growth kit. The first product that we're gonna talk about is our beard growth oil. You guys always talk about how your skin itches when you're trying to grow a beard. It's because you're not hydrating the skin underneath. Overall, it's just a great beard enhancer. It's gonna make you feel more confident about the beard that you have. Second product up is going to be the Beard Club Derma Roller. 540 microneedles are going to help with collagen and keratin production, which is going to rejuvenate that beard growth. Next up, the beard growth vitamins. Packed with over 20 essential vitamins known for their positive effect on beard growth. Things like MSM, vitamin D, zinc, biotin. These are going to help with bodily functions that are known for beard growth support. Next out of the box is our beard growth vitamin spray. With nutrients and oils like biotin, bamboo, vitamin D, lavender, peppermint, this nutrient-packed mist is gonna keep your beard hydrated, but it's also going to promote growth, and it's great for an on-the-go midday refresh. Next up is the Derma Roller Cleansing Spray. So we're gonna pair this with the Derma Roller. Before you use your Derma Roller for your patchy beard issues, you're gonna wanna make sure that you spray it to make sure it's nice and clean before you go ahead and apply it to your face. The Beard Club shampoo is designed to clean and condition your beard. It has ingredients like rosemary extract and aloe vera and oils like coconut and castor. These are all designed to keep the beard hydrated and healthy and not strip away like some of those off-the-shelf options will do. Okay, our boar bristle brush. This is designed to help spread the beard oil through your beard. It'll also help you style and maintain the look of your beard. If you're looking to upgrade to your best beard or you're looking to fill in those patches, this is the beard kit for you.